What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jesse. I got some really cool stuff to show you. There's a lot of C8 Stingray owners out there. I'm not a C8 Stingray owner. I have a C8 Z06, but I absolutely love the C8 Stingrays. They're awesome vehicles, especially for the price. But ever since the Z06 has come out, and even now that you're seeing the E-Ray and the ZR1, you now have three pretty much vehicles in the C8 generation that all have this very similar style front end look, which is that Z06 look. We first saw it in the Z06, we're starting to see it in the E-Ray now, and also this ZR1 coming out, we're seeing it. So now you got one vehicle that has one style, which is the C8 Stingray, and then all the other three have the Z06 style, and I think we can all agree that that Z06 style front end is absolutely beautiful. It's amazing, it's more aggressive, makes the car look even more cool. When you see it rolling on the street or even parked anywhere, it's just super impressive. As we know, the C8 Stingray has been out longer than any of these other vehicles, and the modification game for C8 Stingray definitely is a lot more than all these other vehicles. Here, I'm about to show you this cool new mod that's being released now. I'm a dealer for this mod too as well, so if you want to buy it, just hit me up. Just email me at info@jesseiwujiperformance.com. DM me on Instagram, whatever you want to do. Find me, I'm very easy to find, or just leave a comment on this video and say, hey, I want one. Let me know and I'll reach out. It's cool new mod, and I'm sure you can already guess. Front end right here. Basically, it's a Z06 conversion for all the C8 Stingray folks who are out there. You're gonna really like this a lot. I like it a lot. I don't even have a Stingray, and I'm like, man, if I had a Stingray, I would definitely get this right here. I'll kind of go through this video, show you a little bit about what these are, what you can do, how it works, all that stuff, and basically I'll show you some pictures too as well on what this actually looks like on a C8 Stingray. And without wasting more time, let's jump right into this C8 Stingray Z06 front end conversion. So right here in front of me is a standard C8 bumper. So you're looking at it, it's the same C8 bumper that every single C8 Stingray out there has. This one does not have the front lip on it, but it's still standard C8 Stingray bumper. It looks good, right? It looks good, it's fine. Most people are like, hey, I'm cool with my bumper, all good. But some people want the Z06 look. Obviously, this is my Z06 right here, looking absolutely beautiful. Absolutely love it. The front end is so much more aggressive, so much cooler, I think, than the standard C8. But if you're looking to turn your C8 Stingray bumper into a C8 Z06 style bumper, then you're gonna need this conversion right here. And here you go. You can take this right here, throw it on your C8 Stingray. It fits up just perfectly, and I'll kind of walk you through. This is just a bare bones one. This doesn't have the paint on it. This is like, if you get it, basically, if you get it shipped to you, this is what's gonna look like. It already comes with these canards that you see usually on the Z07 package for the C8 Z06s. You can see both sides of canards. It comes with the front lip as well. You can see that front lip looks really good. I'm gonna swing around here. You can see, obviously it's very easy to get these things installed because your bumpers pop right on and off. As you can see, all the same holes. Look at these holes right here, all the same holes basically for install, right? Things are gonna go in just right for you. So this is a standard C8 Stingray bumper. And then you come over here to this Z06 style, and you can see everything's really good. Everything's in very nice OEM places to make this a very easy conversion for you. You're not gonna be sitting there having to be like, oh man, do I gotta refabricate things? Do I gotta do this? Do I gotta do that? No, everything works. I'm trying to show you a nice little comparison so that you can see kind of, this is a standard C8 Stingray bumper right here, and then you can see what it looks like with the Z06 conversion bumper. Everything's pretty much in the same places. Direct comparison right there for you so you can see it. Maybe you can stop the video, zoom in, do whatever you gotta do. I'm just trying to show you a little slow roll through it so you can see where everything's at, and you can do the comparison yourself to know, hey, everything is in all the same places. Every single notch, every single place where you put on clips. Standard C8 Z06 conversion. You can see all the stuff is in the same exact spots that you see on the conversion kit. This is a standard C8 one right here. Everything. Stuff feels very strong, very durable. Same thing, it's basically made of all the same stuff or similar stuff. Everything's in the right places, looks good. I'm sure all of you don't want to buy it like this and keep it just bare like this because it probably won't look good on your car, right? But I'm sure a lot of you will want to paint it, right? So what we'll do is we'll walk over here and you'll check out a painted one. So this one is fully painted, and you can see how good this thing looks. This looks immaculate. Absolutely love this. Fully painted, ready to go on the car. You can't buy it painted. You got to take it to your local body shop and get it painted so it can match match your color of your car, or if your car is wrapped, you can get your car wrapped, whatever. You can see once again, this one's already been on a vehicle and it's been off, on and off, on and off. But take it to your local body shop, get it painted, and they can probably slap it on for you as well. These things clip on really, so it's not too crazy difficult to do this. It's not tough. You can see even for your cameras and stuff, see right there, just like on my seat, this is my C8's Z06 right here, same camera hole, everything. I mean, everything looks identical. I don't even have these canards because I didn't get the Z07 package, but you can see right here, I mean, it looks just like the real thing. I mean, there is really no differences at all. I mean, there is not a single difference. In fact, this one right here, this conversion kit looks better than my stock one because I don't have the Z07 stuff on it. So you can see right here, I mean, comparison right here, side by side. You can see that these things are really good quality. They look identical to what they're supposed to be. I wanted to come here in person, put my eyes on, put my hands on, look at them myself to see, hey, is this legit? And it looks very legit. And once again, I'm a dealer for these products too, so I can sell you these things so that you can have them. They're gonna be on the website. They're on the website right now as we speak. You can DM me, you can email me, whatever it is, and get you some of these. But once again, here's the bare bones one. You'll get it shipped to you just like this. You'll pull off your stock one and get this shipped to you. And then you go get yours painted, get it to match whatever you need it to match. And after you get it painted, looking good and awesome, then you throw it on your C8 Stingray, and then you look as good as a C8 Z06. Now, once again, this is only a front bumper. I know there's some rear bumper ones coming out soon, full body stuff coming out soon, but for right now, you can get this done, and I'll show you some clips, pictures, video of what this thing looks like on an actual C8 Stingray, because it looks really good.